One of the things I'd like to point out to everybody, first of all, is that the most important thing you'll ever learn is the next thing you learn after you think you know everything. What I've actually done is I've gone out and I've learned all these different things. I follow the principle that I think Bruce Lee had actually said that take in everything, listen to everybody, and keep what works for you, let go what doesn't work for you, and add your own flavour to it. So I'm always looking at, no matter what the specialists and the experts are saying, what is possible? And if there's something that's got a bit of an interest in it, how can I get that to work? It's always looking for the solution, not focusing on the problem and getting caught up by that. And the thing is that most people think that the problem is difficult, yes, and therefore the solution must be difficult. No, the solution in most cases is much simpler. And that's what I like to do, simplify it.